everyone, welcome you all. Student, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, applying formatting effects. Okay, so what are formatting effects? Formatting effects are formatting effect means changing the appearance of text and changing the appearance of your slide. Okay, so let's start by opening the Microsoft PowerPoint. I want everyone to open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so that's why from third chapter, as Microsoft PowerPoint started, every time I'm just starting with how to open Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so for that you have to click on the start button on the desktop. Okay, and then click on the all program option. As you click on the all program option, you will get a folder Microsoft Office. As you click on the Microsoft Office, you will get so many Microsoft Office applications. So here you need to click on the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. As you click on the Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, this window of presentation will appear in front of you. Okay, now for showing you formatting effects, I have already one presentation that I already made. Okay, I will open that. So first of all, how to open a existing presentation? There are the shortcut keys also, Ctrl+O. Okay, keys together we have to press, or either we can do from here. This is your office button. Okay, from the office button we need to click on the open option. Okay, as we click on the open option, our drives will appear where wherever our presentation is saved, we have to locate that drive. For example, my presentation is saved in my pen drive. Okay, so I am going to click on the my pen drive. Okay, so it will open in few seconds. So from my drive I need to choose appropriate file that I already made. So I am just opening the natural calamities. Okay, so this is basically is about natural calamities. Okay, so are you all able to see how to open up existing presentation? This presentation is based on natural calamity that I have made previous year. Okay, so let's see how to customize our presentation, or how to format our text. Okay, so we will learn about the themes. Okay, the color themes. Every presentation comes with color schemes. You can change the color scheme of the complete presentation on a single slide. Okay, open any slide of presentation. For example, I am just opening this slide of this presentation. Okay, so we need to click on the design tab. For changing the scheme, we need to click on the design tab. Are you all able to see this? This is your design tab. Okay, this is your design tab. So here we need to click. As I click on the design tab, so these are the available themes are available. It means the way of appearance of pages or background of your pages will appear. Okay, so these are all themes of your these are themes available in your PowerPoint software. So you can apply these themes. Okay, for example, I am just applying this theme. So all my document will be converted according to this theme. Okay, it will have a particular color of text and the layout of slide. स्लाइड का भी प्रॉपर लेआउट होगा. ओके, इट मीन्स जो कलर होगा, कलर स्कीम होगी वो एक प्रॉपर होगी. ओके, एंड जो कंटेंट होगा उसका कलर भी इसमें डिसाइडेड होगा, व्हाट कलर इट विल डिसाइड टू इट. ओके, so all you are able to see this theme is applied to all of the slide. So it will be reflected to the all slide, and your default theme is always will be a blank. Okay, your default theme will be always a blank. It is your default theme. This one is your default theme. Okay, and others you can choose. For example, if you want to choose this one, the text will apply like this. If you will choose this one, the text, all the slides will be converted into this theme. If you will choose this theme, then all selected text will be converted to this theme. If you will choose this theme, all the slides will be converted into these type of background and your text type. Okay, text color. So this is basically for your text color scheme. Okay, so actually originally I made it like this only. Okay, so I designed my presentation in such a way that it is designed by my own way. Okay, so this is the way. But okay, this is your theme, these are designed, but you can also change your background of your page, of your slide. आप एक पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड का बैकग्राउंड भी चेंज कर सकते हो. हाउ टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ योर page, or you can say slide. So let's see from where you can change. Click on the background style button. Do you know where is the background style button? Here it is. It is here. It is here in the design tab also. Okay, it is in the design tab. It is in the same design tab, and here at the leftmost side, here the background style option is available. So here you need to click in background style option, and you can choose appropriate that is saved also. You can choose the saved background color also. Okay, for your slide. Okay, and you can also format your background according to your own choice. Okay, there are so many options like your solid fill, where you can choose the particular color and your all slides will be converted into a particular color. Okay, you can have gradient fill. Gradient fill are like this, where I have the preset colors. Okay, this type of preset colors are there, so you can choose any of the color. Okay, so and if you will do apply all, it will apply to all, and if you will not do, then it will be on that slide. Okay, only. So, and one more thing is there. Let's see. Next is picture or texture fill. You can also have pictures in your background. Okay, if you want a picture, just click on the file option. Okay, for example, some picture in my pen drive, so I will use those pictures. For example, this picture I am using. Okay, so see, this picture is applied to this slide. Okay, either you can have these textures. These are already built-in textures that are already available in your Microsoft PowerPoint. You can choose these textures also. Okay, in your presentation. So which type of background you are applying, it depends on your presentation, what type of presentation you have. Okay, you need to apply formatting according to your presentation, which type of, what is your presentation topic is there. Okay, depend on presentation. It depends fully on the presentation, what type of presentation you are applying. Okay, clear to everyone, what type of presentation you are applying. So it is clear. So how to change the background? One more way I want to tell you how to change the background from here also. Just right click on the slide in which you want to change the background and go to the format background option. When you will click right, when you click right from your mouse, then this type of pop-up menu will appear, and here is the format background option, from where same thing will come, same menu will come, format background menu will come, and from here you can change your color of, or either you can change it by picture. Okay, you can have a solid fill. Okay, and so any type of changes you can apply. If you want to change to all slide, then you have to click on the apply all option. For example, this, let me show you. For example, you want to take this color and you want to apply it to all slides, then you have to click on the apply all option. Otherwise, just click on the close. This theme will apply to this slide only. Okay? So this is how you can apply formatting of your background and of your background and your text color. Okay, text color can be changed with the help of this also. This is your color scheme. Okay, where you can change the color also. Okay, you can have these type of all colors, whatever the color you want. Okay, where your text color will also be changed, and text color will be changed from here. Font, which type of font, it is about the font, which type of font you want. Okay, so there are the availability of the fonts. Okay, different types of font you can apply to your, see, different types of fonts. According to the font, the text is changing. Okay, and you can have also effects on your text. For example, you want an effect like this. Wait a minute. Okay, you can have effect. Okay, so many effects are available. Okay, so these effects you can apply to your slide. Okay, so you can see these are the effects. These are 3D effects. Okay, so it is clear to everyone how to change your background color. Okay, and how to change the theme. Okay, some selected themes are there in the design tab, from where you can change your theme, and from the background style option you can change a particular slide color also. Okay, a particular slide background also, and you can change the background for all also. Okay, either you can change one by one, either you can change at once by clicking on the apply on option. Okay, student, also you can change the formatting of your text also from the home tab also. Okay, for this you need to first select this placeholder. This is your placeholder where you are adding the text. Okay, and then click on the home tab. Then click on the home tab. As you click on the home tab, there are the option in the font. Okay, from here also you can change the font. Okay, from there also, and here the so many options are available. You can change any font. Okay, you can also make it large and small. Okay, आप छोटा बड़ा यहाँ से आप साइज के अकॉर्डिंग आप कर सकते हैं. You can change the size of your text. Okay, अपने टेक्स्ट का जो साइज है उसे आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, and you can also change the font of your text. You can make it bold. Okay, you can make it italic. Okay, you can make it underline. आप उसे underline करना चाहते हैं, you can also do underlining. Okay, you can, from here you can also change the color. Okay, in here more color option is also there. You can make your own color from here. Okay, and you can apply it to here. So it is clear to everyone how to change these options. Okay, this is a button from where you can add a shadow in your text. To add a shadow in your text, you can click on it. Okay, as you click on it, the shadow will appear. See, a shadow is appearing, okay, behind the text. Okay, here a lining will be there. Okay, this is your strike through option. Okay, so you can have, even you have the other option in font also, just like double strike through. Okay, you can apply, 2 lines will appear. Okay, or either you can have all underline also of different type. Okay, you can also have underline like this. See, underline will be of like that. Okay, so these are the things you can apply while making your text more effective and applying formatting effects on it. Okay, you can have these alignments also. Okay, you can also apply alignments in your text like this. This will make it left line, this will make it center line, this will make it right align, and this will make it this will make it a sentence. Okay, this will make it justified. Okay, it will be a justified type. And here you can have columns. Okay, and you can have 2 columns. These type of things you can apply in your presentation. Okay, so I'm just undoing these options. Okay, so these are things you can apply from here. When you are writing the text, this is your text. Okay, you can apply indents. आप indents भी apply कर सकते हो. Okay, indenting feature is used to move the paragraph of first line a specific number of places from left or right margin. To apply indenting, follow this step. Select the paragraph. For example, this is your paragraph. Now I am selecting this. Okay, for applying indents in your paragraph, what you need to do? First, we need to select the paragraph. Drag the left line indent marker toward the right side. Okay. But right now we do not have ruler, is not appearing here, so we need to show our ruler first. So for showing our ruler, we need to click on the view tab. As we click on the view tab, a ruler option is present in show and hide option. So here I will click on the ruler option. As I click on the ruler option, you can easily see this ruler is appeared here. Okay, so now we can indent our text. Okay, so these are your indents. Okay, you can indent your text according to your need. आप चाहते हैं कि थोड़ा सा मार्जिन के बाद आपको टेक्स्ट दिखे, you want it margin from here, so you can change it, or if you don't want, you can reverse it. Okay, so these type of indenting you can change. To indent the first line of paragraph, drag the first line indent marker to the right side. This is your first line. Okay, and select the paragraph. Okay, and this I need to place here. Okay, so this is how you can change your indent. Okay, now last topic of today is how to add table in a slide. So first of all, for this I want you all to add a new slide. Okay, whoever is doing in their computer, they can also follow these steps. For adding a table in your presentation, first we need to click on the new slide. Okay, क्योंकि new slide में ही हम presentation add कर सकते हैं, table कहीं भी add कर सकते हैं, but right now I don't have any space for table, so that's why I am adding a new slide. From where we can add a new slide? From the home tab and from the new slide option in the slides group, or either we can click on Ctrl plus M keys together. Okay, so these are the options of adding slide, but we need to learn about how to insert a table. We'll do work on table on our next video, but today we are learning how to insert table. There are two ways to insert table in your slide. One way is here also. Okay, here are the shortcuts of table is there. You can click here and insert table dialog box will appear, where you need to just write down the number of columns you want. For example, I need 6 columns, and number of rows you want, I need 8 rows. Okay, so this file of 6 by 8 will appear. So is it okay to everyone? As you insert the table, these all formatting of table will come in front of you. Okay, this is your design tab for the table will come. Okay, designing of the table. Okay, so see, these are all table tools will come in front of you. So I am just making it out from here because I want to tell you the other way to insert a table. So other way to insert a table is where you have to go to insert button, or you can it is insert tab. It's not insert button, it's insert tab. Okay, so just like home tab, you need to click on the insert tab. As you click on the insert tab, there is an option in the tables group. Okay, either you can draw the table, either you can drag your mouse like this and you can have the table like this. Okay, so there is a limitation, you can have 10 by 8 table only, or either you can click on the insert table option. Again the insert table dialog box will appear, where you can type your appropriate size of your table and your table will appear to you. Okay, will be inserted in your slide. For example, 9 by 8. Okay, and okay. So this table is inserted in your slide. So this is how we can insert table in our slide. We will do some work in table. We will enter data and we will use table tools in our next video. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video.